Alright, so what I'm about to show you might be the worst garage lighting you've ever seen in your life. So we're going to go from the kitchen into the garage. It's going to go from bright to dark. It's probably going to throw your eyes off, certainly will mine. So here we go. We're in the cave. Look how dark this is. It sucks. It's actually going to look a little bit brighter in camera than it does in real life over on that side. So the Vipers over there all covered up. You can see contractor grade lighting. It's just normal 4-foot fluorescence, and they're terrible. It's got that diffuser on there, and it's absolutely awful. But the worst part is this size. This is normally where I have the BMW. Right now I have it out because we're going to change these lights. But look at that thing. Transformer is out. The bulbs are flickering, if they work at all. It's just dark. We got the bikes over here. I can't even work on them. So it's really dark. I'm looking for an affordable solution. I think I found something. I'm going to cut the video here. We're going to go into time lapse to cut it short. And when we come back, hopefully I will have a finished solution and I'll tell you what it is. And hopefully it works. Let's take a look.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
Man, that's a heck of a difference. I mean, still some shady spots here or there. Really, that's got to do with the position of my fixtures. And I think I need another one in here. But this is unbelievable amount of difference. First of all, bright, clean, white light. I think it's great. And for the price, you can't go wrong. Let me show you what I used. I just simply searched deformable lamp on Amazon, and this is what I got. So these are 9,000 lumens. They screw right into your fixture. Obviously, from what you saw, this would have taken me less than 5 minutes if I had already had the screw-in light fixtures. I had those fluorescents. I had to simply wire up a $1.50 bulb fixture. Not a big deal, really easy. Anybody can do it. And then screw these in. You just saw me turn them on. What a difference. This is a heck of a difference. These, I paid $29 a piece for these. And I think they're worth every penny. I might add another one to the center of the garage over here just to capture some of the middle area so that if I've got a bike or a car over there, I can work on that. But for the amount of time this is going to take and the money, are there better options? Maybe. Are you going to pay well into the hundreds? You could even pay thousands of dollars to get your garage lit with a macked out system. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you. But for 60 bucks, I got two of these, 29 bucks a piece. You cannot go wrong. I'll put a link in the description of these right here. Super simple to install. I'm kind of impressed with the quality. Aluminum arms on them. They seem to be very nice. We'll see how they hold up. But there it is. I'm looking forward to doing some work in here. So check them out. Check out the link below. Hope you like the video. Super simple, easy. Think about doing it yourself. Take care. Be safe, have fun. Check out Gears, Guns, and Grub everywhere social media is found.